Hello everyone, today we are going to study chemical reaction and equation, which is the first chapter of class 10th science, and this video is made on the behalf of Swami Vivekananda English Public School. So let's start the chapter. Our chapter name is chemical reaction and equation. First we will discuss on the name of this chapter. The chapter name, chemical reaction and equation. There is two meaning from this chapter name. First is chemical reaction and chemical equation. So first we will study chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? You all have must studied physical and chemical changes in class 7. Physical changes is the changes which is reversible, which can be reversed, and chemical change is the changes which is non-reversible. So using that theory, starting this chapter, chemical reaction, it is the process in which one or more substances changes into new substance. But there is a criteria: the new substance always have new identity and nature with respect to the reactant. Chemical reaction, it is a process. यह एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें एक सब्सटेंस, एक पदार्थ दूसरे पदार्थ में चेंज हो जाता है, एक या अधिक पदार्थ किसी दूसरे पदार्थ में जो चेंज हो जाता है और उसका आइडेंटिटी और नेचर भी बदल जाता है, उसे हम केमिकल रिएक्शन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक अ मैग्नीशियम रिबन. ओके, मैग्नीशियम रिबन and let's burn it. Okay, burn it. We will get magnesium oxide powder. Magnesium oxide powder which is white in color. You may be asked the color of magnesium oxide in your exam. So when we write it in a line, for our better understanding, we can write Mg means magnesium plus, here we burn. In burning we oxidize anything, so we will add oxygen to it, oxygen molecule. Magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Okay, this is chemical equation. When we will write it in non-equation form, we can write magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. But this equation, this line is very hard to remember, so we describe it in shorter form. So we will study now what is chemical equation, that is written here. What is chemical equation? Chemical equation chemical equation. The description of chemical reaction, this means chemical reaction in shorter form with the help of chemical formula in it is known as chemical equation. The description of chemical reaction in shorter form with the help of chemical formula is known as chemical equation. For example, let's take the previous example. We have written here the original reaction is magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Okay, but this is hard to know or read anything, hard to tackle it. So scientists have evolved chemical equation for better understanding and easy study. So magnesium's symbol is Mg, oxygen symbol is O, and oxygen exists in O2 form. Molecule of oxygen is O2, and magnesium oxide in MgO. Symbol of magnesium oxide is MgO. Okay, Mg plus O2, magnesium plus oxygen gives MgO. But here we see that here the oxygen is 2 atoms, but on the product side there is only 1 atom of oxygen. You will say that this does not follow the law of combination of mass, which you all have studied in class 9. You must have studied law of conservation of mass. Conservation of mass in class 9. Law of conservation of mass tells that the mass of reactant and the mass of product will always be same. Okay, in other words we can say that energy can never be produced and never be created and never be destroyed. Energy can never be destroyed and never be created. Okay, this law refers that statement. So here we see here Mg is 1 atom, here Mg 1 atom. Okay, here oxygen 2 atom, here oxygen only 1 atom. So it does not follow the law of conservation of mass. So this equation is not right. Okay, such type of equation is known as skeletal equation. Writing the earlier example again. Such type of reaction is known as skeletal chemical equation. Why? This is unbalanced. Because this is unbalanced equation, it is called skeletal chemical equation. Unbalanced. Okay, to balance it, the number of atom on the reactant side must be equal to the number of atom on the product side. Okay, for this, to resolve this problem, we balance the skeletal equation. Now we will study how to balance a chemical equation. Let's study balancing. For balancing, we will see that how much atom in reactant side and how much atom is in product side. Okay, here Mg is 1. Okay, let's write Mg oxygen. Okay, let's make chart. This side reactant, this side product. We will have not to change the formula for balancing. Here O2 will always remain O2. Okay. Here MgO will always remain MgO. So let's make a box so that we can't change this elemental formula. Okay. Let's make a box. Then we will see in reactant side Mg 1 atom. Okay. And oxygen is 2 atom. But in product side there is Mg 1 atom and oxygen is 1 atom. Okay. So to equalize it, we must have to make the number of atom on this side equal to the number of atom on the product side. When we will change it, okay, multiply this MgO product side, okay, by 2. Then here O is 2 atom, oxygen gets equalized. Now magnesium, so we have to make magnesium 2 atom, so let's multiply it by 2. Hence by heat and trial method, this method is known as heat and trial method. Trial. I think you all know this method in mathematics. You all have factorized many polynomials by this method. Okay. There is no such shortcut to balance it. You have always used heat and trial method. You have already studied why and how we balance a chemical equation. The answer of why is we balance chemical equation to follow law of conservation of mass, and we balance the chemical equation by the method of heat and trial. Okay. Now we will study what are the changes. What are the changes seen during a chemical reaction. Okay, there are 4 changes. Only 4 changes are seen in every equation of the world. Every chemical reaction of the world, there are only 4 changes that happens. The first is change in state, either from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, solid to gas, solid to aqueous. There are many changes in a state. Change in a state. The second is change in temperature. Sometimes we see the temperature of the product got changed. Okay, then the reactant, with respect to reactant, change in temperature. The third one is evolution of gas. And the fourth one is change in color. Okay, these are the 4 changes that are seen in any chemical reaction. Some chemical equation have any 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 changes, but at least one changes is seen in every equation or every reaction. We have seen in example Mg plus O2, 2Mg plus 2O2 gives MgO, 2MgO. We have seen here this is solid, okay, this is gaseous form. Mg has been in solid form in the reactant side, and oxygen is also in gaseous form in reactant side. But when we see in the product side, the MgO in combination becomes solid. Okay, this is the changes. Here solid plus gas become solid. There is change in state take place. The gaseous form got changed into solid form. Evolution of gas. Okay, we will continuously see all the examples and we will compare with these changes in every examples. Friends, we will study further of this chapter in next video, and for any query you can contact your teacher or you can ask your query in our comment box. We will definitely try to answer all your queries. So thanks.